What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm right here where I left off. And in past weeks, I didn't even notice these, but they're here and they are matching a lot of the other cute buffalo check items we have. We have Count Your Blessings, we have Happy Fall, we also have Blessed. These match the towels, the storage bins, the pot holders. We also have some brand new heart buffalo check trinket trays that are really cute. We also have a sort of red Christmas plaid. Check over in your little decor area. But yeah, you guys, if you missed some of my past videos, definitely go back, check out that Dollar Tree playlist and see what you missed for the week. But like usual, I'm just on the hunt for new things to share with you guys. And it's really fun seeing a lot of the Christmas items come in. Right now, we're kind of in limbo because we still have some Halloween items out. But once Halloween is over, our stores will be in full Christmas mode. So I'm really looking forward to seeing like all the additional Christmas items that are about to go out. Every year, Dollar Tree comes out with more and more new items, and then they always bring items back as well, some of our favorites. Okay, we'll go down this snack aisle too. Like usual, we have our Rippets and our Rockstar and our Stackers and our iced coffees. Those aren't always in stock, but when they have them, they usually put them in the little refrigerated cooler over there. Lots of granolas, Pillsbury mini double chocolate, the Harvest snacks in white cheddar, tomato basil, lightly salted. My kids love these. We have Flips in white chocolate, actually white fudge, and s'mores. The Chex Mix is here, the savory Chex Mix, and we have tons of Lay's stacks. Good Health popcorners, Boom Chicka Pop, Munch Rights, Smart Fries, lots of smart options or smarter options. We have the little goldfish crackers. We get how many? 4 ounces. Chili lemon peanuts, crunchy peanuts, Arizona fruit snacks. Those are new. Those are new, asterisk. And then I say, in my store, asterisk. Because a lot of times I'll say stuff like that and then you guys will be like, oh, well, my store has had those for a long time. So you guys know how it is. Oh my gosh, you guys. The roller lip glosses by LA Colors. We have strawberry. I used to love these when I was a little girl. We have grape. We have coconut. And we have mint. Again, really perfect for Christmas. And if you guys missed my live last Tuesday, I showed this whole display. We have cute little polishes. We have cute lip glosses. We have 2 packs of lip balm, super tiny toe separators. We have nail stickers. We had a whole bin of these beauty blenders, and it looks like people really snatched up pretty much, you know, like half the display, because we had a lot more last week. Also the nails, they're really cute though. I was debating if I should get some polishes or not. I really like this one. I have so much nail polish though. And I kind of want to get these, but also I have so many lip balms. I only have like maybe 1 or 2 roller lip glosses though. Which one would you get? Strawberry, coconut, grape, or mint? I don't think I would get mint. I would probably either get this one or this one. But I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna pass. We can totally have everything we need and be very thankful for that, but still want stuff, even though we have very similar things like that at home. What's this? Oh, it's a lid. I was like, what is that? I really don't know what it goes to. One of these containers, I guess. It looks like the Buffalo Check storage bins got totally sold out. I think these are new. These little latch down storage bins. And then we have these longer ones. We have like the whole dark brown cream collection going on here. And behind me, of course, we have tons of sponges. Ooh, new prints of Scrub Buddies, the no scratch sponges. Brillo Basics. Even more of these scouring pads. They're okay. They don't last very long, but they're okay. They're okay if you need something kind of gentle. We haven't been seeing many of our usual toilet brushes. This is the first time I've seen like the old school toilet brush in a really long time. Usually we just see the smaller ones. And I haven't been seeing many of the dish brushes lately. If you guys are experiencing the same thing, then go to Dollar General. Down their $1 aisle, they have a $1 cleaning section. They moved all the toys, at least in my store, and they put nothing but $1 cleaning supplies in that little section. Anything new over here? Micro Mint plackers. Oh, they put more of the beauty blenders here. Let's finish up down this aisle. Let's see if we have anything new. And then I'm out of here, you guys. Always hunting for new things. Like this. Look, you guys, it's so cute. By Bodycology, Island Beach Paradise Bath Bomb by Bodycology. These are normally sold in Walmart, you guys. Aren't they cute? Aw, they're so cute. So, so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have more. Look. Look. They're so cute. Pink Vanilla Wish. Anything else? Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. So, so cute. I'm really, really happy I came down this aisle. I'm really happy that I finished here. This is all I'm seeing here in my store. Again, we have the Island Beach Paradise Bath Bomb. It's 6.5 ounces. And then we have a 7-ounce Pink Vanilla Wish Bath Bomb. So, so cute. I'm definitely gonna get some of those. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me here in Dollar Tree. Thank you for shopping with me. I love shopping with you guys. Definitely consider subscribing if you guys enjoyed this video, or if you just enjoyed hanging out with me. I love sharing the deals with you guys. It's one of my favorite things to do. Anyways, you guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.